May nili sang ni som ni parukani hey straight off Formosa breaking news a tlat mai Iran lampang hianin kan missile panhiin US indo lawng kan kap anti Formosa hianin US sipai te chuanin khami khamin kap lo anti vele bokani tuna hianin Boruak sosang khawp maya an indo tran le don nge enge he thil hi tuna hianin kan reaction ma thil pakhat ka hril du cheu chu nelit aizol center a hian athonin Mizotan tribal tan mo BCA MCA BTech Artificial Intelligence MO Machine Learning chuan BTech Internet of Things chuan MTech Artificial Intelligence heng te hi athonin aizola azir thaya tuna hian admission an hong mek ani a thakop mai he thil hi chu keini tribal Mizotan he thil hi advantage alaka tuna hian in registration ten hong meka entrance test te po omanga chuwa chuanin he thil hi advantage a lo lana sar o lo in silpung ro athonin heng engineering course le he computer lamp course poimo tak tak the hi athonin tribal tan azir the ani o a thakop mai tuna hianin admission ho hela hian helpline number oma heta te po hianin in lo bia anga in lo zot fi anga du chuan chuwang chuanin lo mangtang kai hle ro ti kha kan in cha mol ani chu ole tuna chuanin kan react chanang.
We're just getting a line here from Iran's Fars news agency
Iran hian an state media heting hianin an chua
saying that two missiles, assumedly Iranian missiles,
heng te hi ni mo mosquito bot mo Iran missile pani
but saying two missiles hit US warship near Yask Island after it ignored Iran warnings.
Iran lampang hian in warning an lo pevena asa an lo pevena sa ani amaro chu Iran in a warning an lo pek kha US lampang chan ngai poi mo lo khawp in an langa chu wang chuan in Iran hian missile in he in do longa hi kan kap an tiani he Iran POV ani mhela nakina US lampang hian in min kap fulo an ti vetlat mai ni pon ni se kan react zelang.
Just to recap on this very important news that's coming through, Iran's Fars news agency is reporting two missiles have hit US warship near Jask Island after it ignored Iranian warnings.
Donald Trump hian in naval mission thar alo puanga chu Project Freedom ti ani he Project Freedom ina atumber nia lang chu straight off Formosa hian in long then khat emo hi antang anga ngai ani a chu voina khan khang longtang khang te kha mo lak chua shroi chua antum ni turani khatianga antum na lampanga khan Iran hian warning an lo pe a omje chu khatianga longtang khatlai ve la lo tang lak lo ang chi ho te kha US ina a shroi chuak don ani chon a indo long kha atir ve nge kha ngai dona long eng ma tir lowa wa shroi chuang ngot thu kha omlo chu ma chuan in long chu atir ve chiang in arin oma he long US lampang ina antira hi Iran lampang chuanin kan lo ka pe antiani he an Iran state media an puanga Al Jazeera hian te hian ron puang le ani.
Now Rasul, I appreciate the situation is very fluid. Are you hearing anything about this that no doubt would be a very serious escalation?
Kahayan puanga rita kanin do tolo rita kanin kap tolo anin be tolo amaro chu hetianga ron ni le tak thut sia chuan Boruak haron sosang le viau theya tin he US lampang tektik te pon ve mai theini karil ron langzoka achan chu United States in tenan indora amaro chu Iran kha an lo lululan lo ngal ve khang langa kha phang khan US tan khan Iran du to ka va beile pop na chan tur chan thatak kha United States te po khanin an mamo ve tho theya heng sheran hian Trump hian tiang hian in Project Freedom hi apuanga nga khatiang khana longte va tir lutanga chuan Iran hian missile in kap engang ma se an air defense system te hian in khang missile te kha lo intercept thei thoin rin oma khami ris la chung khan Iran in miron kap tlet beile tangai tia khovel ma thiam chan nan te po hatiang hian in Trump hian in thiam takin politic a khel te po ni thei ani mo Iran lampang hian in Trump fin hi an chet lo mai thei heta hian hi karil ron omdan ani
in what we thought was at least a ceasefire in terms of preventing military contact between the two sides.
Indeed, Sami, so earlier today.
Hepa hi Tehran a omani Al Jazeera correspondent anyang a heparon so hi chiangang Iran khopui Tehran tangin on puang don.
The Khatam al-Anbiya Joint Coordination Center, which is overseeing Iran's war affair, its commander Ali Abdullahi.
Avahan tam nei noi ve apoi na ludro apoi na.
He just released a statement saying that any warships belonging to the United States entering the Strait of Hormuz is
Iran lampang chuanin US long Strait of Hormuz a ron lut engma kan hmulawan titlat
going to be attacked. So
ron lut anamani chuanin kan beyang anti Iran chuan.
that was quite clear. There was not softening in the language. It was not
Achiang khawp mai engma thuku po amlo sugar coating ang chi po ko amlo direct takin frank takin Iran lampang hian an soyani he thil hi.
a diplomatic term, no vague words. Simply they said that they are going to attack, and now that is happening. So the
That is happening. Ji chu hepa hi teran na tangin ting hen ron report a hepa hi chuanin Iran lampang hian an beyaron titlat.
Public Relations Office of the Army, Iranian Army, saying that with a firm and swift warning from the Navy of the Islamic Republic of Iran,
Iran Navy hian in warning chun pethuak ve ni US tan hian mo.
the entry of American Zionist enemy destroyers into the Strait of Hormuz was prevented. And then the Fast News Agency saying that 2 missiles hit the U.S. warship near
Chuanin US indo long te kha Strait of Hormuz a han ron lu an tuma khami kha Iran Navy te chuanin kan lo dang anti ve a khatianga an dan hnuwa khan an soile dan chuan kan Iran missile te hian in US indo long hi missile panin an kap fu ani aron tile ani hepa hian mo
just
soitong khan hi Iran thlir tlang atang kan thlir phot chuminwa United States military lampang atang kan riek leang thlir tlang sang atang riek hian in achiang du
island after it ignored Iran's warning. So that is the escalation. So practically, after the ceasefire was announced, this is the first military direct engagement. And
inka hayan puan nuwa hi direct taka Iran sipaite le US sipaite direct taka anin beile voi khat na ani. This is a major escalation. Boruak ron sosang chho vieu le ina rin mani.
Of course, that does not mean that the ceasefire is now collapsed.
Inka hayan puan kha acheta ti na ani lova.
However, it is now jeopardized. We can easily say that.
Amaro chu tuna chuanin bo chiat ani ti kha kan soi thayani atiani achiang viau hi Iran lampang thina tlang atang ni ti chuanin United States lampang te hianin Iran in min beilo an ti vetlat enge omzia kan riek leang Fox News atang nge hiano.
And we go straight to Operation Epic Fury right now.
Operation Epic Fury noi hian Project Freedom om kan ti to kha US forces guide ships out of Strait of Hormuz. Strait of Hormuz along tang khang tam tak om te kha United States sipai te hian in roi chua an tum don ani he Project Freedom noi hian.
US forces are helping ships that are trapped in the Strait of Hormuz as part of what the president has dubbed Project Freedom.
So it comes as a second UK ship has reported they were attacked in the critical
Ta hianin a tanker reported being hit by unknown projectiles ti ania la hianin long pakhathi tu emonin an beya hi Iran lampang hianin an be ni na rin ama chuanin a bulk carrier reported being attacked by multiple small craft helaya po hianin longdang an lo bele ani Strait of Hormuz rina chuanin Iran lampang hianin an be nin arin oma
critical waterway. Mark Meredith is live at the White House with the latest. Mark.
Charlie Bryan.
hepa hi White House atang na ron report vele thung do ani
Ainsley, good morning, friends. Once again, this morning, U.S. Central Command is denying an Iran report that it had struck a U.S. warship. This back and forth all comes as the White House is launching a new effort to basically unclog the Strait of Hormuz.
Middle East Central Command chuanin hetianga Iran media ina US indo long akap fu ti hi thudik lawani tin anron chhang le ve ni.
Get ships that have been stuck in the Persian Gulf out of the area. You can imagine what it's been like the last few months. The president is calling this a humanitarian mission in an effort to try to free up those ships.
He Project Freedom hi Iran do lampang anilawa maro chu Strait of Hormuz hunrei tak atha long lo tang to te roi chua na humanitarian effort ani ti vetlat mai ni Trump chuan mo amaro chu soitong hanin Trump te lampang hianin eng ang poin khatiang khan ming kha vu ama se until tum kha enganga hei ril ru thiang lim dewa thil ti tum pok hani se Iran tan kha chuanin ani theilo mo Iran tan kha chuanin ni theilo and an lo be ve kha ani deu main ka ria maro chu soitong hanin Central Command lampang he chuanin min be lawan titlat.
You can imagine what it's been like for those cargo crews have been stuck running out of food waiting for relief. The president posting on Sunday, for the good of Iran, the Mideast and the US, we have told these countries that will guide their ships safely out of these restricted waterways.
Hi Sunday may ni thum aposa voin ang ani chu ke mani tan chuan asan chu khulam US ate chuanin timing kha in hre thiam bek kha chuwang chuanin Iran thatna atan te Middle East atan te le United States atan te heng ram te hi an long tu na Strait of Hormuz tang mek te kan chan chuang kan roi chuakang tin an sum don na po angai angin an kalpui le theyang ti kan thrila he long roi chuak kan tum hi mi hring tam tak longa chuang ve te tang te chuanin company long te ram engma poi soilo he indo na awanga lo tuar ve ringot te heng te tan hianin kan ti ani heti ani longa hianin nia staff tam tak khanom ve don ani khang te khanin eile in tur te khang teng te kha an la cham ve thea chan chun tang rei to ang renga.
So, Operation Center telling ships to cross the strait in Oman's waters under what's been called an enhanced security area to protect those ships. U.S. Central Command has plenty of resources, including guided missile destroyers.
U.S. sipai chon tunai hianin guided missile destroyers an neya chuan longa tanga thok thei jet fighter za chuang chuanin heta airport pa ngai tanga thok thei jet fighter za chuang chuanin service members he chu long te sipai te pon niang kha sing khat sanga vel tu da henin an ombok ane
aircraft head of Iran's parliament posting any American interference in the new
hi Iran parliament lampang inaron posa Strait of Hormuz kan thu nei na miron chu boya ron in rol tum an omani chuan hi in ka hai kan puan bo chiat na kan ngai do na chuan Strait of Hormuz le Persian Gulf hi Donald Trump hianin adu dan hianin a control don lova tu na hianin hetianga inpu ton na ang chi hi tu ma hian an oi don lo ani tin Iran lampang son ti hian an ron post vele anian parliament lampang en mo.
So we have reacts to how Iran is now handling day one of this new military operation, but the U.S. as well as top senior officials here are saying that they believe it's Iran that is struggling the most economically. We look at what oil
kan rin kha chu tlem chona dik ve deu ni sanju mani te po hanin kan soya US hianin engamoni tak chu atile don che ta le don kan tia tuna tak hi chuanin Iran hi direct takin ala beilem lawa amaro chu military operation chu a carry out akal puime kan ti kha he video tanga kan react thei chuani Iran lampang hianin kan bei an tia United States lampang in min kap lo anti ve bok ani eng po ni se makina news siang zok kan ron react zelanga hi a khu hon na ngai lo ngai me don yo ole ati zong kha tun trum ata na kan han react thei chuan ya chuan nelit aizol center ke ni mizo te tan tribal tan tuition fee a thonin heng course te hi azir thei do da ni kha admission lo vati ve vat ula tuition fee te a free ve kan yo ta hen phone number om boka lo zot chiang ngeng he rau lo zot chiang le rau ale khati zong kha tun trum ata da kan han react thei chu ni video la kan in mule theu do nia